Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to install Microsoft Teams on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Teams, which is Microsoft's conferencing and meeting app. Maybe you need it for work or school or something else, but it's really useful to go and install it on your computer. So let's go and get started with this. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Chrome, but it doesn't matter now. What you need to do is go and type in Microsoft Teams like so. Make sure you go to the official website, which is on Microsoft.com. Here it is. And here we are. You can go and read about it by scrolling down, but to go and get it, you can see the option for download now. So press that to the left, and then what we can do is press download Microsoft Teams. 4. Windows. The setup file will now go and download. What we need to do is go and open up our file explorer. I'll come straight to my downloads, go and find the MS Teams setup file and double click it, and it will go and save downloading Microsoft Teams. When it's finished downloading, it should automatically go and open up like mine has here. You can then choose an account to continue, or you can go and press create or use. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.